Very good morning to everyone. So, in the last turn, we have started the new topic resistance. So, we shall continue the topic resistance. Okay. So, see here, I have told you that resistance is the property of a material, and every material has different resistance. Resistance means opposition or obstruction, or we can say hindrance. Okay. Suppose we take an example. There are two cases. Okay. Just see here, there are two cases. First A case, second B case. Okay, what is happening that stones are falling from the inclined plane. Okay, this is inclined plane, just sliding. Okay, stones are falling from the inclined plane. Person A is trying to stop every stone. Okay, person A is trying to stop every stone. And here in the second case B, what happened? Stones are falling, and person B is not stopping is any of the stone. He is let go the falling stone from the inclined plane. Now you have to tell me which person, in which case the person offered more resistance. In which case the person offers more resistance. You know, resistance means opposition, hindrance. Can you able to answer? Okay, very good. Lot of students are raising hand. Okay, Shreya Yadav, 7th week. Yes. Yes, Shreya, I can't hear you. What is your answer? Okay, we will give chance to another student. Okay, Vitthal Kumar, 7th A, Vitthal Kumar.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, in case A.
Okay, very good. So in case A, the person offers more resistance. So here we can say more resistance. So we understand. Okay, put your hands down. Okay. So here we understand in case A, person offers more resistance, and in case B, resistance is less. Okay, because he don't oppose the falling stone, and he opposes each and every falling stone. Now my question is that who will get warm up or who will sweat? Because who will oppose more will have to do more work and will sweat. So person A will warm up or person B will warm up. Okay. Ragini Singh, 7C. Answer. Okay, 7th B, Shreya Yadav.
Sir, person A.
Okay, person A. Very good. So the person A will sweat or will get warm up due to more resistance because he is doing more work. He is offering more obstruction. Okay, now put your hands down. Now I'm going to explain the same thing on the basis of this example. You can put your hands down. Now in electric bulb, just wait due to the power cut. Okay, just put your hands down. We will take doubts just after this topic. Okay, so understand carefully. So Okay, just let me know. Can you able to hear me? Can you able to see the board and hear me? Just raise your hand. Okay, okay, fine. Thank you. So this electric bulb, last one I told you that the filament is made up of tungsten. Okay, and we connect wire to supply electricity to make the bulb glow. So what happens? This part is made up of brass, but the electric bulb, the light is produced by this filament only, by this filament. Now I'm going to make you explain why this filament why the filament get heated and produce light, and why this brass portion not. So just take example of the last example, that this tungsten has more resistance in comparison to the brass. Means tungsten of, offers more oppose the electric current. Due to the opposition of electric current, it offers what happened, it offers friction, and due to the friction, this tungsten produce light energy and heat energy. And brass, what do brass don't offer more resistance, they just passes the current by the brass portion, this brass. And this filament, which is made up of tungsten, it does not allow to pass the electric current, and due to the friction, this bulb glow and produce light energy and heat energy. Okay, Mukund Singh, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir, your voice is coming, but your voice is some noise is also coming.
uh, Still it is like that. Mukund, still you are facing problems?
No, sir, no, not.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Part.
Sir, hello, sir. Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, what do you want to ask?
Hello.
Parth, what you want to ask?
Sir, what is the meaning of brass? Sir, what is brass?
Brass is a metal. Okay.
Sir, metal, but in which type of metal?
Which type of metal means? The metal conductor, it is a conductor. And just to find out the Hindi meaning of brass, then you will know. Okay, what is brass? Brass is used to make utensil. Brass is used to make wires also, means motor coil. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you.
Okay. So here, due to the friction or due to the resistance offered by the tungsten, what happens? There is a friction, and due to this obstruction, what happened? Just take example of the last cases. What happened? The person which offers more resistance will get warm up, means it get warm up and produce light energy and heat energy. Now the conclusion is that you have to understand, resistance is the property which opposes the electric current. Resistance is the property which opposes the electric current. And every material have different resistance. Okay, I'm giving you example. Conductor, I think you have know about these things. Conductor, semiconductor, that is metallites. Conductor, insulator, insulator. Okay, in which case? First, second, third. In which case the resistance is maximum? The resistance is maximum. In which case? First, second, or third? Okay. Okay. Okay, Sadhgi.
Sir, in the case of insulator.
Okay, fine. Good. And in which case the resistance is minimum? Okay, Himlata. Okay, Utso Dikshit.
Sir, in the case of conductor.
Okay, fine. So in the case of conductor, resistance is minimum. That's why conductors, means the metals which are conductor used to make electric wires, and electrical appliances, and insulators is used to make the covering or outer body of the wire. Just like plastic is the insulator, that's why it is used to coat the copper wire. And because it have maximum resistance, we can say infinite resistance, because in insulator current does not flow, it offers very high resistance. And in semiconductor it offers resistance which is greater than the conductor but less than the insulator. If we arrange the order of resistance by of conductor, semiconductor, insulator in increasing order, it will be like that. Increasing order of resistance: conductor, then semiconductor, then insulator. In the case of insulator, resistance is maximum. So this is increasing order of resistance. Okay. Now resistance is measured in unit ohm, 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 and it is also named after the scientist, and its symbol is like this, ohm. So what is the formula for the resistance? Resistance is equals to voltage upon current. Potential difference we can say upon current. Okay, so this is the formula for the calculating resistance for any circuit. Okay, I will take example to calculate the value of resistance. And one thing you have to remember, the voltage, the V is always put in the value volt, and current is in ampere. Current you have to put in ampere. Now for a circuit, current is 100 ampere. Okay, and potential difference, or we can say the voltage of battery, is given 10 volt. Now you have to tell me the value of resistance. What is the value of resistance? Value of resistance. Okay, Aditya Arya. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Aditya. What is your answer?
Hello?
Aditya. Answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, answer. Sir, resistance, no?
Yes, resistance.
Sir, 0.01.
Okay. Utsav?
Sir, 1 by 10 ohm.
1 by 10. Aditya have told 0.01. Utsav 1 by 10 ohm. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, Arsh. Arsh, what is your answer? Tell me fast.
Sir, it will be 1 by 10 ohm.
1 by 10. Okay, Sadgi.
Sir, 0.1 ohm.
Okay, 0.1 ohm. Okay, just see here how to calculate resistance. It's a very simple formula. R is equals to V upon I. V is potential difference or voltage of the battery. Okay, so V is given 10 and it is given in volt, and current is given in ampere. So we don't need to change any of the unit. Okay, you can put your hands down. So 0, 0 cancel out. 1 upon 10 is also right answer with unit ohm. 1 upon 10 in the decimal form we can write 0.1 ohm. Okay, so answer is correct. Aditya, you have done 0.01. Maybe some calculation mistake. Okay, so answer is 1 upon 10 ohm or 0.1 ohm. One more question. Current for a circuit, current is given 3000 milliampere. Okay, and voltage is given uh, 3000 volt. Okay, now you have to calculate resistance. Okay, Virat, you want to answer? Shreya Yadav.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Answer?
Sir, it will be 1.
1. Okay, Shreya. Answer 1. Okay.
Yes.
Utsav.
Sir, 300 ohm.
Okay, Utsav 300. And Virat Bharadwaj.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Your answer? Okay, take your time. Aditya?
Yes, sir. 1 ohm.
Aditya, 1 ohm. Okay. Okay. Arsh?
Sir, 300 ohm.
Arsh also 300. Okay. Anyone else? Where is the rest of the students who used to answer very frequently? They are not answering. Okay. Naf Khan, new student. Means first time you are raising hand. Naf Khan, 7th D. What is your answer?
Sir, 300.
300. Okay, Naf. Okay. Ansh Jaiswal?
Good
Ansh-
morning, sir.
Tell me answer.
0.003.
0.003. 0.003. Okay. Anyone else want to answer? Snehal Agrawal? Okay, just tell me fast. Answer only.
Sir, 1 is the answer.
One is the answer. Okay. Ankita Verma?
Sir, 1.
One. Okay, okay. Anyone else? No. Okay. Astitwa Pandey?
Sir, 300 ohm.
300 ohm. Astitwa 300. 300. Okay. Let's see here whose answer is correct. Anyone else want to answer? That the students who used to answer very frequently, they are not raising hand in the numerical portion. What happened? Okay, Ankita?
Sir, 300.
300. Okay. Okay, let's see here. I told you when we are calculating resistance, we have to put the value in the value of current in ampere and the volt value of potential difference of voltage in volt. It is given in volt. Now here current is given in milliampere. So here current is given in milliampere. So you have to change something. Okay. So we know 1000 milliampere is equals to 1 ampere, or we can say 1 ampere is equals to 1000 milliampere. Just take example of gram. Okay, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, or we can say 1000 gram is equals to 1 kilogram. 3000 gram is equals to 3 kilogram. 3000 gram is equals to 3 kilogram. In the same way, 3000 milliampere is equals to how many ampere? Is equals to 3 ampere. Okay. So current is now 3 ampere. Now we have to calculate resistance. Resistance is equals to V upon I. Okay. V is equals to 3000 and I equals to 3. Now answer is 3 upon 3000 upon 3. What is the answer? 1000 ohm. No one answered 1000 ohm. What happened? Just here you have to just change the unit. Okay, one more question. I hope now you will answer. Okay, so this is just last numerical. Okay, first put your hands down. I got confused. Virat Bharadwaj, any doubt regarding this last question? Vitthal, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so just put your hands down. Okay, now resistance is given 1000 ohm. Okay, resistance is given 1000 ohm. Current is given 5000 milliampere. Now you have to calculate V. Now let me see who is going to answer the correct answer. Not answer, correct answer. You can give your answer. Either it is correct or wrong. Just give your answer. Okay, Arsh. So you have calculated.
Sir, volt is equal to 5,000. Volt is equal to 5,000.
Okay, Arsh. Answer is 5000 volt. Okay. Okay, mute yourself. Ayush, your answer?
So 500.
Ayush also. Okay, mute yourself. Aditya.
Hello, sir.
V is equal to 5,000.
Aditya also 5,000. Hemlata. Fast. Okay. Arya Pratap.
5,000.
Okay, mute yourself. Ankita.
Sir, 5,000.
Okay, mute yourself. Ankita Verma 7P.
Sir, 5,000 only.
Okay. So most of the student has given answer 5,000. Okay, let's calculate. We know R equals to V upon I, and from the same formula V is equals to I into R. Okay. Now R is given 1000 ohm. We don't need to change the unit. Here I is equals to 5000 milliampere. 1000 milliampere is equals to 1 ampere. So 5000 will be 5 ampere. Now current is in ampere, resistance is in ohm. Just we need to put in the formula I equals to 5 and resistance is equals to 1000. 5000 volt. So most of the student has given the right answer. Okay, so next thing, the topic electric circuit. We will start in the next class. For now, thank you. Bye.